Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace blower motor on 2014 Nissan Versa, only way. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing the glove box to access the blower motor assembly. Keep small parts organized and take photos to remember fastener locations. Work patiently when unplugging the electrical connector and removing the mounting screws. Confirm replacement motor matches the old unit and test operation before reassembling the glove box and restoring the battery connection. To remove the glove box, empty it and locate the retaining screws along the edges and bottom. Carefully depress or unhook the stops to let the glove box hang free without damaging plastic tabs. Use a short Phillips or ratchet to remove screws and set them aside in a labeled container. Lower the glove box slowly to expose the blower motor housing and electrical connector behind it, keeping the work area well lit and organized. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more repair guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It fits cup holders, keeps water cold, and reduces stops during long jobs. I use it while wrenching and it saves time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Unplug the motor connector and remove the mounting screws securing the blower motor in place, keeping track of screw sizes and locations. Pull the motor straight out and compare the flange and connector to ensure the replacement is correct. Slide the new motor into the housing, tighten screws evenly, and reconnect the electrical plug. Reinstall the glove box and reconnect the battery, then run the fan through all speeds to confirm proper operation and quiet performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.